In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time block and organize your life with Google Keep and Google Calendar. 5 minutes. We'll move quickly, but I'll keep it clear and practical so you can start using this right away. First, open your browser, sign into your Google account, and open the Google Apps menu, the small grid in the top corner. From there, launch Google Calendar. This is where you'll block time for focused work, errands, and anything else that needs a dedicated slot. Next, pick the day and time you want to work, then click on the calendar to create an event. Type a clear action-oriented title like Draft Weekly Report or Gym Strength Session. Set the exact start and end time so the block reflects the real effort you plan to invest. If you like, choose a color that signals the type of task and add a short description with context or goals. Keeping your wording specific makes it easier to follow through. On the right side of Calendar, look for the side panel. Find the Google Keep icon, the little light bulb, and click it. This opens your notes without leaving Calendar so everything stays in view. Create a new note in Keep that matches the event you just made. Use a checklist for sub-steps. Paste any key links or files you'll need. And consider applying a label or a color to group-related notes. Keep is perfect for capturing the details, so your calendar block stays focused on the when, while the note organizes the how. Back in your calendar event, set reminders so you don't miss your start. Add 1 or 2 notifications, such as an early heads up and a short pre-start nudge. Choose the timing that fits your workflow and keep it consistent so your brain learns the rhythm. When the event looks good, click Save in Calendar. You've now time blocked the task, protecting space for it on your schedule and reducing decision fatigue throughout the day. When you complete the work, return to Keep and mark the note as done. Check off the items or complete the note to signal it's finished. This quick action closes the loop, keeps your list tidy, and gives you a clear sense of progress. A few quick tips as you use this combo. Aim for realistic durations, leave small buffers between blocks, and keep event titles short but specific. If a block needs more time, simply adjust the event and update the note. A brief weekly review will keep your plan aligned with your priorities. That's the workflow, calendar for time, keep for details, working together to help you stay organized and get more done.